(2013-86) State of Arkansas versus Christopher Osborne. Mr. Osborne was arraigned and entered a plea of not guilty on April 25th. In his first appearance on this, he's on this court's docket, and this is his first appearance before this court. Court is setting his case for trial November 12th. Of 2013 pretrial will be set for August 29th, and they'll be ordered to reappear on August 15th to check on status of discovery. Is there anything else to be taken up today?
Your Honor, our file reflects that his bond is set at $2,500, and normally, Your Honor, I would not even ask the court to address a bond of $2,500, but both he and his wife are on disability and simply cannot afford a bond of $2,500. Any reduction, Your Honor, would be of great benefit to this gentleman. He has lived here 5 years. Judge, he is now living in a home that is about 2 blocks from the court complex.
Judge, I think he has a criminal history. At least one FTA in it. I have his criminal history, but I want to look at that before it makes a bonding decision.
Yes. Mr. Cooper, how long has Mr. Osborne lived in or around this area?
5 years, Your Honor.
I'd like to inquire where he's going to live, because I have reason to believe he and the wife may or may not be back together. I don't know.
I think we're getting an answer here.
Your Honor, the house has just been rented. He would have to provide that to the court and to Mr. Kincaid, and we understand the court is probably not going to lower the bond until you have that.
That'd be the feeling of the court, that based on the criminal history and other information in this case, the court has a serious question of where he's going to be living and what believes that he's to some extent a flight risk. And the $2,500 bond is a minimal bond to begin with. So I'm going to make the $2,500 bond to be left in place, conditioned upon him providing a specific place to live. If it needs to be re-argued, he can be brought back before the court, and we can discuss bond further at a later time.
Your Honor, I don't think he needs to be brought back unless the court does. He's given me the name of his wife, her cell phone number. I will call her during the lunch break, get an address, and Mr. Kincaid has some concern as to whether or not he can actually go back there. I'll verify that from her and report that to the court.
Very well.
Thank you,
very
Your Honor.
much. You may be excused.